Welcome to America, tons of places to study, even in a ghost town like I did in Syracuse Uni. Maybe I can help you travel, just look at my face. These tips and tricks will help you save some money with grace. Welcome to Syracuse, sports bars litter the streets, so I took a bus to New York every alternate week. It reminds me of Bombay, construction every way, but let me tell you about my NYC day. Make your way to Central Park, have a picnic with your friends, then bike your way to MoMA and see that art is not dead. Grab some ramen from Ippudo, catch a subway to a thrift shop. In Williamsburg, Driggs Avenue is where you need to stop. Welcome to another verse, I took a look around, thought of Miami, booked a cheap flight and just flew out of town. Saw graffiti in Wynwood Wharf, had a lot of games, the perfect trip I needed for my Thanksgiving break. Welcome to a student's life, it's not the final round. I worked at a gym, it was the most fun job that could be found. Sitting at a desk all day often made me frown, but $15 an hour turned it upside down. Welcome to the final round, Syracuse got gloomy, so I did a semester in the land of movies. LA was a happening place filled with beaches and the sun. I did everything that can be classified as fun. Welcome to the outro, there's something you should know. Niyo Global is a card that helps you save on forex charges wherever you go.